Pating Reviews presents the LG 24GQ50F-B, a 24-inch gaming monitor review. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this exact same monitor, there's Amazon links below this video for USA, Canada, and the UK. I just recently got the LG 24GQ50F-B 24-inch monitor from Amazon. So far, I'm really enjoying this high quality budget monitor from Amazon. It came quickly, and the packaging was perfect. I opened it up, and so far I'm quite impressed with the monitor. The stand is sturdy for what you get for the price point of under $140. It has a nice thin bezel, great viewing angles, no issues with dead pixels. Overall, it's a good quality monitor for the price point. Obviously, there is some slight issues with blurring in dark situations in games. It's not the best because it is a budget monitor, but for the price point and the quality you can trust in LG, I highly recommend that you check out this LG 24GQ50F-B monitor. Also, if you want to get it at a great price, all you need to do is check out the link below this video, and you can get this monitor from Amazon at a great price. Overall, these monitors by this model has a rating of over 4.7 out of 5 stars on over 2,000 ratings, and this is one of the newest models, budget by LG. I highly recommend that you check out this monitor. It's great. Please don't forget that the link to the product is below this video to get it at the best possible price. Also, if you like this video, please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting on this video.